Hi there. Today I will show you 3 features of Adobe Illustrator you may or may not know. First feature will go to the type tool and type any text. Here I will make it a little bigger, and maybe you did not know this before. You can move the individual letters by selecting them very easily. Select the touch type tool. You can also press Shift plus T and move the letters around very quickly and very easily. You don't have to go to object and expand the letters and then ungroup it. You can simply go to touch type tool, and as you can see, the other letters are also moving with the moving of one letter very easily. The next tip I will show you is for t-shirt illustrations. So a lot of time whenever we are going to print any t-shirt, we have to select fewer colors, maybe 3 or 4 colors. So for that, if you want to decrease the amount of colors from your artwork without a lot of effort, you have to go to edit, then edit colors, and then go to recolor artwork. You just from here you can select the limit. You can limit the colors. As you can see right now it is on auto, but you can limit the colors very easily and very quickly. From here I will select 3 colors from here and just press OK. Now the next tip is of Lasso Tool. So we all know that we can select the multiple anchor points with the direct selection tool or group selection tool by just clicking and shift click one by one to the other anchor points. But with the Lasso Tool, as you can see here, you can select multiple anchor points with just dragging the mouse around your anchor points, and just like in Photoshop, you can hold shift and as we can see, the plus sign is appearing. You can select multiple anchor points from all over your illustrations very easily and very quickly. And if you want to minus any of these anchor points, you can press and hold the Alt button and then minus the anchor points very quickly and very easily. So these are 3 very useful tips I want to share with you guys. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If so, then please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.